Alberta's ban also includes limits on school computers to social media, which the top doctor in the U.S. today called the defining challenge of our time. Here's CTV's Alison Bamford on his warning and the new push.
We've seen the warnings on cigarette packs. Now the top U.S. health official wants Congress to require similar labels for social media.
Many parents don't know that those risks exist. And we have data from tobacco warning labels that in fact tells us that they can be helpful in changing awareness and changing behavior.
Data shows teens who spend more than 3 hours a day on social media face double the risk of anxiety and depression. And the average user that age spends nearly 5 hours online every day. Writing in the New York Times, the U.S. Surgeon General says a warning label would regularly remind parents and adolescents that social media has not been proved safe.
It could actually be pushed to individuals at times when they're exceeding a certain amount of screen time, when they're using the app on a continuous basis, or even before downloading an app.
That your families have had to suffer.
The call comes 6 months after Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg apologized at a Senate hearing to parents whose children were exploited, bullied, or driven to self-harm via social media. And 1 year after the Surgeon General put forward safety recommendations, including suggesting parents establish tech-free zones and time limits at home.
It's part of a suite of other interventions we should be considering at this time.
The Canadian Mental Health Association also wants social media giants to be transparent with their information.
Researchers lack the raw data to be able to analyze trends in terms of usage across platforms and the impact that it's having day to day.
There are some protections already in place, including minimum age requirements to sign up for an account, but those can be easily bypassed.
Social media platforms should proactively look at making their platform safer on a continuous basis.
If these warning labels become a requirement in the United States, experts say they wouldn't be surprised if social media companies apply them to platforms globally. Omar?
All right, Alison, thank you.